Hello my dear friends, again I am here with lesson number 12, HTML colors. HTML color lesson is related with the HTML style attribute. So we have already learned about it, but now let's specify it using predefined color names or RGB, hex, RGBA, hash values. We will learn about them, how they work and how we can use them and how we can add in our HTML document. In HTML color names, in HTML a color name can be specified using a color name. There are thousands of the colors are available at the internet, you can find out there, but now I am giving you a little intro about the color names. Just like a tomato color, medium, sea green, orange, red, blue, so many colors are available at the internet. If I want to change my background color of my text, then how it is possible? In previous tutorial we will learn about the how to change background color, background of the whole document, but now background color of the document, how we can change. We can add here, this is the full document. If I want to if I show you how it is, refresh this one, medium size, color, oh no, text, wrong name, save, refresh my document, the color, oh spellings mistake, refresh. Now the color has been changed of my content. Again, if I want to change this background color, then it is possible. You can change your heading or a paragraph color as well. Background color green, okay, or a gray, okay, gray. Now fine, save and refresh your page. The color has been changed into gray. It is so looking beautiful. You can arrange millions of the colors are there. And now let's come to the text color, how you can change. Text color style attribute is equals to inverted comma color here tomato. Fine, after this sign the color will be changed. If you want to change, give the border color, then how it is possible? You can give by adding a border word, border, fine. So border, give the border color red, no, pink. Save and refresh your document. Border color, save and refresh your page. Pink color is not appearing. Oh sorry, the border format is changed. Border 2px, pink, save, solid, save, refresh your page. Now you can see the border color is pink at the area of content. Fine, I hope you understand everything, how to give the border color by using border, this sign 2px or solid and pink, anything you want to give the color of your content. Border color, how to give background color. So in HTML, colors can be specified using RGB values, hex values, hash values, RGBA values and hash values. And I want to give I want to give little demo about these colors. We will learn about them in our upcoming tutorial. So let's start here how to give RGBA colors. If I want to use RGB color, the sign RGB block and write here color name. If I write 255 0 no 990 no comma 7 and block this, save your page and refresh your document. The color is red now. If you want to change again it, then change your values 133 and 179 and 60. Refresh your, save your page, refresh. The color now is change. So let's come to the Hexley value. If I want to hexadecimal color, I use not this format, this sign, okay, and FF. This is an only example, okay, and save. We will further study about them. Now the color is red again. If I want to give the Hexley colors, it's okay, we will learn about them in our next tutorial. The video is going to be long, sorry to interrupting. Okay, take care. If there is any query, you can ask in a comment. I hope you understand how to give RGB colors and Hexley value colors.